mile circumferential road in Barangay Limao, Island Garden City of Samal, to Davao City in between our Castillo, Daang Maharlika Junction, crossing over Pakiputan Strait with a total length of 3.98 kilometers, including Davao ramps and a grade road and roundabout in Samal. The bridge has a width of 24 meters and a vertical navigational clearance up to 47 meters, supported by 2 pylons with a height of 73 meters. Philippines-China relations begins a new era of ties with the provision of loans from the Chinese government for its construction. The Department of Finance and the Ambassador of the Embassy of People's Republic of China in the Philippines exchanged the loan documents that provide financing for the SIDC project. On January 2021, DPWH and China Road and Bridge Corporation entered a contract amounting to 19.32 billion pesos for the design and build of Samal Island-Davao City Connector project to head start the negotiation process and support the loan application. On May 31, 2022, the loan agreement for the SIDC project was signed by the Department of Finance and Embassy of People's Republic of China in the Philippines. The same became effective on July 19, 2022. Upon its completion, the bridge project will provide a resilient and reliable transportation link between Metro Davao and Samal Island, reducing travel time from 50 minutes to only 4.5 minutes. The bridge project will improve economic activities and promote more sources of livelihood for locals who have long dreamed of having such a bridge that enhances internal mobility and external linkage to support the economic and tourist growth potential of the region. DPWH now undertakes the conduct of land survey and geotechnical investigation, with the government finally proceeding with the detailed engineering design activities for the civil works construction of the long-awaited Samal Island-Davao City Connector project.
His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the groundbreaking ceremony of the Samal Island-Davao City Connector project, being led by His Excellency President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., assisted by Vice President Sara Z. Duterte, DPWH Secretary Manuel Bonoan, Special Assistant to the President Secretary Antonio Lagdameo Jr., Davao City Mayor Sebastian Z. Duterte, and Island Garden City of Samal Mayor Al David T. Uy. You are now witnessing the turning over of the newspaper, the blueprint, which will be placed inside our time capsule. Now the coins are being turned over as well. We're now sealing and closing the time capsule. About to witness the lowering of our time capsule. We are now witnessing the lowering of the time capsule. Let's give it a big round of applause, everybody. And now we turn over the shovels to the President of the Republic of the Philippines, along with the Vice President and the rest of the party. They are now to cover up the capsule. Let's give it a big round of applause, everyone. The rest of the party gets their chance to the ceremonial covering of our time capsule. Everybody, let's give it a big round of applause one more time. We may now request the President and the party to kindly remove their hard hats and their shovels. Please return them. Thank you very much, Mr. President. At this point, Mr. President, may we also present to you a diorama of the SIDC bridge. This is the diorama for the Samal Island-Davao City Connector Project, a 3.98-kilometer bridge crossing the Pakiputan Strait that will connect the island garden city of Samal and Davao City. The bridge shall reduce the travel time from 50 minutes to just 4.5 minutes from Davao City to Samal Island. How about we join our hands together, everybody? Thank you, Mr. President. May we invite the President on stage for the program.